Hello and welcome everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of Supercell ID code not received. Supercell ID is a very stable software and it usually doesn't give any problem. However, if you are not receiving the code, it might be due to different factors. First of all, you should check your internet connection. Brawl Stars and the email both need internet connection, so check that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or that you are using your data or in general that you have a good internet connection. After this, you should check your spam folder. Also, you can type Supercell ID on your email, and this will show all the emails related to this. If nothing of this works, you should be sure that you are writing your email correctly. It happened to me in a previous video, in the video of how to make multiple accounts in Brawl Stars, and I couldn't receive the code. I checked my internet connection, I checked the spam, and nothing worked. And do you know what was happening? That I typed wrongly my email address. So if after doing everything of this, you're not able to find your Supercell ID code, you should directly contact the Supercell support team. I hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching.